It is said that honor should be given to whom honor is due. Bearing this in mind, the management of Education District 3 organized a reception in honor of the chairman, Lagos Civil Service Commission, Mrs. T.A. Oyemade, and the chairman, State Universal Basic Education Board, Dr. Sopeyin, for their selfless service in office.
Today, we are not holding what I would call social party. We are welcoming our illustrious elders, I'll call them elders because they are retired, who have been elevated after their retirement to a higher post to conduct higher duties.
In his goodwill message, the chairman, Nigerian Union of Teachers, Lagos State Chapter, Olusegun Rahim, stated that this is a set time for all hands to be on deck to take education to greater heights in Lagos State.
We are celebrating success today. When I was told, I look back, and what came to my mind very quickly was how fast is this district producing the big ones, the first in all ramifications. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this is the best time that we must get it right in education for Lagos State. If it is not done now, God forbid, it may take some other time.
On his part, the principal of King Ade Senior High School, Lagos Island, Mr. Samuel Akinduni, appreciated Dr. Sopeyin and Mrs. Oyemade for supporting all the principals in the state.
On behalf of all principals, on behalf of all the teachers, on behalf of NASU and NUT, we appreciate the contribution of Mama and Dr. Sopeyin to D3 as a district and to Lagos Island in particular. My prayer is that the Almighty God will strengthen you. It is just the beginning. You have led us to this level. I believe we will not leave at this stage. We will draw all of us up.
Other guests present also poured accolade on the celebrants. The day was spiced up with a cultural presentation.
I feel highly honored because I started my teaching career in this particular area and I rose to the post of the Tutor General Permanent Secretary here too. And now they are honoring me as the chairman of the Civil Service Commission. I'm highly honored. The past administration have done theirs and beautiful. We are going to make it more beautiful than what it is today. So this administration is going to continue to be citizen-oriented and also including civil service-oriented.
Everything is unto God. So it is God, in the first instance that made it possible for me to be, seen as being worthy for this posting. However, I can also say it is in recognition of my little contributions to the development of this education district. I once served in this place as the director of personnel, and I think I did my little best to uplift the standard of, the district in terms of staff welfare, staff education, and generally. Parents, students, everybody is now happy. They are happy now with what they are seeing, and they are now willing to bring their children to schools, to public schools. Children, on their own part, are happy. They are now willing to learn because the environment is becoming conducive by the day. So I think generally we have to give kudos to our amiable governor, Mr. Akinwumi Ambode, for the good work he's doing. in Lagos.
The celebration of Dr. Sopeyin and Mrs. Oyemade by officials of District 3 shows that hard work truly pays. However, it is said that the reward for hard work is more work. Therefore, the two celebrants are ready to put in more efforts towards the development of education in Lagos State. To prepare the newly appointed principals and vice principals of Lagos State Education District 6 for the task ahead of them, the management of the district recently organized a training program in order to improve performance and to ensure 21st century tools utilization.
School setting, teaching service has changed for better. We are going to be online in whatever we do, and we are going to be better global citizens. You must work together to achieve success. Your school is your school. You are not only a accounting officer, but you are also owners of your school.
Facilitators were on ground to sensitize the participants on topics such as the public service rules, establishment matters, and human resources and administration.
As individuals, you are supposed to have a copy. You must have a copy of the public service rule. Confirmation of appointment is very, very important. If you are not appointed, you are not allowed to enjoy the essential certificate that an officer will enjoy. Then circular is very, very important. Circular. When circulars are sent from the office, you must respond. You must read it. If a circular is given to you and you want to react, you are not sure of the content, there's nothing bad. Ask colleagues. People have been on the job before you. Ask them. If you cannot solve it, there must be somebody that they have signed it. You can call.
The admin and human resource department, we have 5 divisions. The first division is workforce planning and recruitment. Then we also have the learning and development division. And in that division, promotion, training, confirmation of appointment, conversion, and all other things, like advancement and appraisal of your project, they are in charge.
The department is basically divided into two units. We have the science unit and the art unit. Debate, spelling bee, cultural activities, musical activities, Christmas carol, MSS, and all subject associations, clubs and subject associations. The district in this year 2016 came first in the Lagos State quiz competition.
In the schools admin, we have 5 units as well. The first one is admission, transfer, and placement. They are involved with documentation, preparation of modalities and criteria for generating spin as well. Then they are also involved in placement of GS3 students into SS1 class. The second unit that we have in schools admin is the schools support unit. The school support unit is also involved in monitoring and investigation of reported cases.
Speaking with Education Report on TV, the Tutor General Permanent Secretary of the district, Mrs. Amidat Anifowoshe, disclosed that the training was very important and it would be of great benefit to the participants.
We are preparing them as leaders of today for tomorrow's challenges, and we need to make them understand
and realize their position in the service, and to collaborate and cooperate with the state government in order to achieve excellence in schools, and also in order to make the service delivery more easier and closer to the community.
The Principal Comprehensive Senior High School, Okota, Mr. Olaniyan Rashid, spoke on the difference between a civil and public servant.
When we say public service, we are talking of all officers, all workers in the employment of the state government. But we have also what is known as civil service. The civil service is the organ of government. The civil servants are those that have been employed basically by the Civil Service Commission. They are also public servants, but they have been employed by the civil service. They work in the government MDAs, ministries, departments, and agencies. But the public servants, they relate much more with the public. They have not been employed by the Civil Service Commission, but by other agencies that has been delegated to perform the duties of the civil service.
The training program was seen as necessary as it will make the service delivery of the newly appointed principals and vice principals efficient and of acceptable standard. The Lagos State Examinations Board is announcing its registration and examinations timetable for 2016 Basic Education Certificate Examination. Registration is on the 7th of December 2015 to the 25th of March 2016. Late registration is on the 2nd of May 2016 to the 13th of May 2016. Examination date is on the 14th of June 2016 to the 24th of June 2016. Schools with albino and visually impaired candidates should write exams board officially so that adequate preparations for issues that may likely affect them during the examination can be resolved. Screening tests to model colleges and upgraded schools. Registration is on the 4th of January 2016 to the 29th of April 2016. Examination date is on Saturday, 14th of May 2016. Examination will take place in designated centers throughout the state. Interested candidates are to pay a sum of 10,000 naira. Once payment is made, teller and receipt of payment should be taken to Examinations Board for collection of registration customized CD. There will be two versions of the screening test: the paper pencil test (PPT) and computer-based test (CBT). The two versions will be written on the same day. The CBT center is at the Examinations Board ICT room, while the PPT has 28 centers across the state. Placement test into public secondary schools. Registration is on the 1st of February 2016, the 30th of June 2016. Examination date is on the 9th of July 2016. Approved private schools will pay a sum of 5,000 naira per candidate. Public service examination. Registration is on the 1st of February 2016 to the 31st of March 2016. Examination date will be announced in due course. The examinations are listed below: External Secretariat exam for typists, combined confirmation and promotion examination, compulsory examination for admin and executive officer, and trade test for artisans in public service. Registration of all examinations will be done through customized CD. Public schools in Lagos State should visit Examinations Board for their CD, while private schools should visit Examinations Board with their receipt of payment from the bank and tell her to pick up their CD between the period of registration for each examination. All payments should be made to Lagos State Government's account: Skybank PLC 40300104449, Fidelity Bank PLC 5030058 FCMB 0135582346. For more information, please visit our website www.lagosexaminationsboard.net or call 080-235-480-336 or 080-285-18866. Announcer, the Director, Lagos State Examinations Board.